students. So this activity is going to kind of go through and help us understand point of view, and these are some tips and tricks to do the point of view snorkel practice. So when you get to it on Canvas, there's going to be an access link. You want to click on it right here. If you're prompted, log in with your student Google account. You may or may not have that happen. And instead of seeing this screen, you're actually going to see instead something that might look more like this. It'll give you the name of the activity once you go into the class and you click on the one that's there, and then you can hit start response. Okay, so that is a different activity though. We are going to be looking at the one we have here called character's point of view. So you can see I've already made some sample responses already, and basically once you get to that spot and you hit respond, okay, you'll ultimately want to get to a feedback page that will give you a score and some feedback on what you did and what you can do to improve on. Now, this is working a little backwards, but basically in order to get to that spot, you're going to go in and answer the questions. So for the story that we have called the mango tree, you can see the story right here, plus the nice little graphic of the mangoes. You want to think about the two questions here, and then basically create a response for them using the text or typing, and also going in and doing that. So when you click on the actual activity, instead of getting the feedback right away, you're going to get something that looks like this. There's lots of tools here. What I would like you to do is, in order to respond over here, instead of using like the pencil that looks like this, or the highlighter, I would like you to use the text box, okay, and be able to type your answer here, okay? And you'll also be able to verbally explain it with the record screen and voice to allow you to submit your assignment. So you want to read through the mango tree about Ravi and Samira. And then once you get to the end of the passage, you want to think about how you're going to answer question number 1. What is the point of view that the story is written in? And then number 2, how does the author develop Samira's point of view about the mango with chili powder? And then use 2 examples from the text. Once you have those things, then I would go in first and either maybe if you wanted to highlight stuff you can, but also make sure that you type a response here and here. Then click record screen and voice. That will allow you to verbally say some of the things you have here or any other details you'd like to do. And then you hit submit. And again, once you hit submit, you will see feedback. And then basically this is what you'll use to go ahead, and then you'll see it says instead of resume response, it'll say like try again or respond again. You'll click on that, and then from there it'll allow you to try again. Modify your response till you get the 4 out of 4. So that's something to think about as you go through. So I'm not going to show you the details on that, but you can see that here I got a strong answer, 4 out of 4. And then that's what I want to keep as my best response. It'll go in order. So once you have that achieved, make sure you go back here, and when you're submitting your assignment, you want to copy and paste the feedback from your best attempt. So obviously this one is not my best one, but I would copy and paste this right here, starting from explanation all the way through. And then I would also reflect on that. Did the feedback seem relevant to your response, and what did you do well? And then you can go ahead and submit the assignment. Okay, please reach out to me if you have any questions, and I will be glad to help. Take care.